Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Life is Wonderful. Subscribe my channel by clicking subscribe button like this and hit the bell icon to get timely notification whenever I upload a new video. Today I am going to share the recipe of naan khatai or homemade cookies in my own style with a super easy method which will give 100% delicious result. You can make this naan khatai with available ingredients at your home. So let's go friends, let's get started to make naan khatai. To make this naan khatai, at first the ingredient we need is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, maida, half a cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of gram flour, that is besan, 3 tablespoons of suji, semolina or rava, whatever you call. This is 4 tablespoons of clarified butter, that is ghee, and this is some crushed cardamom, that is elaichi, and at last we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 pinch of salt. Now we start to make the dough of naan khatai. For that we have to pour all the ingredients one by one in a bowl and start to make a nice dough of it. You can add baking powder and salt at this stage, but I forget to add, but later I have added. You can add at this point. Break all the lumps of ghee that have added and make a nice dough of it. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of boiled milk. You can add raw milk also. It's entirely up to you. It will give the same result. Now I will make a nice dough of it. You can see our dough is ready. It is very shiny. Now I have taken one cake tin. You can take one flat plate also. Where just we need some flat surface just to place all the naan khatai. Now I am brushing some ghee. You can take oil also. Now our cake tin is also ready. So now I'm making the naan khatai. I'm just trying to giving the shape of a naan khatai. For that I have cut out one small ball from that dough, and now I will place this ball in a cake tin like this. As we have added baking powder to this dough, so it will be in double size or it will rise up. So don't add up much balls in one batch, or don't get overcrowded here. I have just added 6 balls in one. Now I will press my finger to flatten the cookies like this, and now I will garnish it with some raisins. You can take anything, cashew or jam or any kind of nuts. It's entirely up to you what you want to garnish. And now our naan khatai is ready to bake. Here I have already taken one utensil and spreaded some salt to it and preheated for 10 minutes before making the dough. And now I have placed one plate or stand you can take, and now I am placing this cake tin and cover it with lid for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm checking whether it is done or not, and yep, it is ready now. You can see the result. It has risen up so well, double in size, and of course it has changed the color just like the market one. Now I will take out this cake tin, but do it carefully. It is very hot now, just like the way I'm doing. After that, I will take it rest for 5 minutes just to cool down, and after that I will take out all the naan khatai from this tin. After 5 minutes our naan khatai is very ready to take out from this tin. Super yummy, super delicious. Our homemade naan khatai is ready. You can take it as a snacker and make much naan khatai at one time and can store it for 2 weeks, as we have added ghee into this. So this is very nutritious for kids also. If you like my video, if you like my quick recipes, then please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new updates. Till then, bye bye, take care guys, see you in the next video.